Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to check your tracking. Yes, it's properly work is not. So you are doing the server-side tracking, but your client don't believe so server-side tracking working properly or not. So if you give this type of report, your client must be believe you. So if you want to find out this type of video, so this video for you. So first of all, you need to go the Google step.io. So first of all, I explain how can the if you see the report. So if you see the analytics, how many scores? 73. So your overall score is good. So if you not take 100 or 100, but it's good, not good, so need to improve more. So Google ads are not work properly, cookie lifetime is not work properly, but page speed is okay, or Google analytics okay, because there are some issues. I think this website need to scroll down. So if you see here the Google analytics for server side tracking work well, good, all good. So and Google ads working all good, also meta all good, but need to increase. How can I increase this? You need to increase ad optimize, Google ad optimize, then you will increase the data score. Okay, so how can you check? So first of all, you need to go the Google step.io. So if you first come to the Chrome browser and take a new tab and search on the Chrome browser, so this website is see. So if you see the how many ad blocker overcome this server side tracking. So if you if you just hover it, sorry, I think there are problems. Okay, so okay, if you see here how many requests are sent from server side tracking. So if you see the 18,494 of 94. Okay, so if you go to the tracking, so sorry, give me a moment. So and if you want to check, so if you go here, if you already came, so if you just search here, if you need to log in first, then you search step.io. If you go, I am going to the step.io website. So give me a moment. So if you see the website checker, so tracking checker, so if you click here tracking checker and give me a moment, so it different on your internet speed. So your internet speed is good, so no need to more time. So if you put here the website or your client website and search, and give me a moment here, so you show the result actually. So if you search this type of search result, so if you scroll down, so this type of report. So I hope if you understand how can you check actually. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friend. So thank you so much.